Hi, welcome back. So in this session, we are going to discuss about one more automation using Terraform in AWS Cloud. So most of the time in our AWS Cloud daily administration or management, there are so many people are getting involved and they are doing a lot of operation, EC2 creation and a lot of resource creation. So, but the problem is every time they are messing up with a lot of process, especially on the tag. The tag is really critical for any automation purpose or any billing purpose. Still, you can do many things using the tag. If the tag is not proper, then your efforts are going to be more. Even you are applying all scripts, everything, the tag should be proper. So we are going to discuss about if someone is creating a resources without any proper tag for any EC2 instance, then the manager and support team will get a mail. If you think you can alter some more feature in this automation, please submit your. So we will see one by one along with the scripts and how to do this automation. So in EC2 instance, most of the time, as I explained, if someone is created without any proper tagging, slowly you will end up with a lot of administration stress. This automation will help you to avoid such situation. So you can go to this repository, AWS POC Terraform scripts, and you can refer the actual script in this folder. Lambda AWS EC2 tag mail alerts. So now we will go to the actual repository. This is the repository. Lambda AWS EC2 tag mail alerts. Even if you go to the major scripts, you will go to the first repository page and there is a proof of concept 4. Send the alerts if EC2 instance are running without a proper tagging. Refer the folder. So you can stick to this if you're not clear with multiple automation. Then go to that folder. So using the tag, this script, you can find the instance if it is running without a proper tagging. So your expectation is those instance, whatever are running already without this tagging, you should get a mail. Come down. So as usual, you need to configure access key, secret access key, and Lambda. What is the name you want to implement and what region you want to implement? These are all you can change anytime. Okay, and then come down. So there is a Terraform. So I have created this automation every day early morning will be executed and people will get a mail. This mail ID also you can configure whom has to receive these alerts. So this repository, I'm going here. So this is the repository I downloaded. So first we will go one by one. So first go to Python, this script. In this script, I have mentioned what is the tag name. This is my expectation. Okay, and what is the mail ID should receive these alerts. Mostly give some group mail ID. Okay, come down. Okay, so this sending mail ID means the from support team I am sending. That means this is the mail ID you are configuring 5 variable 5, but this is the mail ID someone who has to get notified. I mean the project owner has to see what all servers are created or are provisioned without proper tagging. Okay, so he will take care of the team and he will make sure the team is correcting their mistakes. And you can create the necessary mails parameters also. You can change it. I just created with some test. You can modify it. Come down, and there is another file, 3 resource. So in this, again, you can change it later also, but during this implementation automation script execution itself, you want to change this parameter, you can change it here, because each environment, each group of servers will need a different tagging, different timeline, execution, everything. So you can very well change it here. And come down, there is another file which you need to test it. So this is a file you need to hard code your credentials, AWS cloud, and which region and what name you want, and from which mail ID you are going to send all these alerts. Okay, support cloudandloud.com. There is a spelling mistake, so I'll correct it. Support cloud. So people who are receiving the mail, they will receive from this mail ID, cloudandloud.com. So I'm giving this. Okay, now let's implement this. So as I said, if you want to verify the Terraform version, verify it. And I want to initialize first Terraform init. Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Okay, this also fine. Now go here, Terraform apply. So it will ask you whether you want to implement. Yes, we want to implement this. So once you started implementing, go here and refresh it. It will take some time because it's getting implemented. It's getting implemented. So let's check here. Yes, it's getting created. Yes, got created. So now go here, see here. So now the Lambda function got created. So even go inside the Lambda function, it got associated with the CloudWatch trigger. So the CloudWatch, I'm going here, I'm going for rules. This is the previous POC. So see the mail tag rule also getting created. If you want, as I said, here also you can change the schedule. And even if you want, you can go to the tag-variable file, you can change there also. So now it will look always this tag, prod-server tag. If there is no servers having the specified tag, automatically will get the alerts. And while doing this, you need to go here and you need to go inside and download. Don't download, right click and save, it will not work out. So go inside the zip and say download. So once it's downloaded, go here. And this is the password. Using this password, you can extract the zip file and you can follow this step to create this automation. If first, I would advise first you do it in a test environment. Once you all tested, then apply in the necessary production environments. Stay tuned. We will come up with more use cases. Thanks.